Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be organizing my linen closet. I have let this completely go. It has been a complete disaster for the past 4 years, if you can believe it, but today's the day. We're going to get it all nice and organized, and everything I got for it is from Walmart, so everything's nice and affordable. This is my linen closet before. It couldn't really be worse. There was a dead spider in here. I stuck my finger in it. It was so bad. I have so many blankets that I'm not using right now just because it's summer. I have my toilet paper, some on the top, some on the bottom. I've got hand towels and stuff that I don't even use anymore. Bedding for our guest bedroom that we don't really use very often. Just all stored in here in a hodgepodge and a mess. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just clear everything out into a huge pile, kind of Marie Kondo style. She just piles everything into a huge heap. So I couldn't actually believe how much I had been storing in this little tiny linen closet. When I saw it on the floor, I was absolutely mind blown. So I just went through and divided things into categories. Some things I wanted to actually put into the basement to store some special blankets. Then I definitely had things that I wanted to get rid of, give to the DI, the Goodwill. And then I also wanted to separate out these winter blankets just because I don't need them right now. And I wanted to keep my seasonal / holiday stuff up here just because the holidays seem to come around so quick to me and I just can't believe that, oh my gosh, here we are at, 4th of July and wow, here we go, Thanksgiving, like all that. So I wanted to make sure that I had everything right in front of my eyes because I do like to switch things out for the holidays. So you will see how I organize those with some new bins that I grabbed from Walmart. But for now, I'm just going to go through and separate and categorize. It had been a long time since I bought new towels, so I found these. They were nice and neutral, which is really my thing right now. I love grays and whites. I just think they look so fresh and clean, and these were so pretty. They were really nice and fluffy and soft, so I thought they would be perfect, and if I have guests, I will definitely be using those. I also picked up 2 of these a little bit larger bins, and I had taken a picture of my linen closet before I went to the store just so I could count shelves and stuff if I needed to. This also caught my eye. It was a set of 3 woven baskets, and I just loved the color, and I loved that there was a texture to these. So I really love mixing textures. That's one thing that I think makes a space look really unique and quite elevated and pretty. So I like that these fit inside each other if you actually didn't need to use all of them at once. But in one of these softer and bigger baskets, I put some toilet paper, and then in the other one, I wanted to store extra sets of sheets. And one tip with these is if you use a pillowcase to actually store the rest of the sheet set, it works really, really nicely to keep everything together, and it looks nice and smooth. I used one of the smaller gray baskets to store extra pillowcases. These are ones my mom made the boys, and they're a lot of fun. My kids love using these. Even though they have a matching sheet set, they love switching out their pillowcases that grandma made them. So I wanted to make sure these were nice and accessible for the kids. And again, I kind of was inspired by Marie Kondo when I folded these. I wanted everything to be nice and compact and easy to see. In addition to grabbing new bath towels, I also picked up a couple extra hand towels, and I need to go back and get one more. I only picked up 2, and there's space for one more, and that's just gonna bother me. Plus, I needed them anyway, and I did grab these in this kind of minty aqua color. I don't know how to describe it. It's like between aqua and mint. It's just really nice and it complements the gray beautifully. Finally, in the largest of the gray baskets, I wanted to store my holiday stuff, my seasonal things. So I have some table runners here, I have some pumpkins, and I have some hearts for Valentine's Day, and then I have some more pillowcases from Grandma that are a little bit more themed. So I put these inside the seasonal basket as well, and once I rolled them all up the Konmari way, they fit perfectly. Now to the most exciting part of putting everything back into the linen closet. And this is a little bit of a trial and error, but I did want to store the sheets for the guest bed on the top just because we do not need them very often. So I didn't want to put them right at eye level. They just needed to be a little bit out of the way. Plus there's a lot of room generally at the top of a linen closet. So I thought those were perfect. Then I put sheets and toilet paper and towels right here in the center because those are going to be the things that we reach for the most often. And then right below that shelf, I went ahead and put the hand towels, and the seasonal stuff went underneath that next to those pillowcases. I had some extra labels lying around that I had grabbed at Michael's. These are cute chalk labels, so I thought this would be a fun touch to add. Plus, if anybody else ends up putting things away, that way they know where everything goes. Plus, I just think labels look so pretty. Then just as a final touch, I took a few dryer sheets and put them in between the towels just to keep everything smelling nice and fresh. Stay tuned for my upcoming video of a complete bathroom makeover. I really want to do the modern farmhouse style that I have throughout the rest of my house in my bathroom, so be sure you're subscribed and make sure that the little notification bell is turned on. That way you will actually see the videos that I upload in your feed and you won't miss one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye!